Well, here we are at the first test. I caught an error. June 28th is not Sunday, but I'm going to give you till June 28th anyway, so you will benefit from my mistake. So the first test will be open June 24th, which is Friday at 12:01, and will close on the 28th. Should have been the 26th, but it says the 28th in the syllabus, so we're going with the 28th at 11:59 p.m. All right, so I knew it was too much to expect for me to get the syllabus right the second time around. So here we are. All right, so you have all this time to take the test. There's no excuse not to. You're going to take it over points 1 through 6. Now, we're not going to stop, so this test will still be live as we get into week 5. Okay, so if you choose to put off taking the test, you're going to fall far behind, because we're still going to be working on the presidency and Congress and the Supreme Court and all that. So, yeah, 2 hours. You only have one chance to take it. All grades are final. All right, all grades are final. I don't do anything with that. I don't curve or anything like that. So 150 points, 120 minutes, only one attempt. All right, you can view the responses right after, and it's only going to show you one question at a time. So just to preview, you know, what might this quiz be like. All right, so the test, rather. Questions worth 2 points. The electors shall meet in their respective states and vote by ballot for president and vice president, of one of whom at least shall not be an inhabitant of the same state with themselves. They shall name in their ballots the person voted for as president, and in distinct ballots the person voted for as vice president, is the text of which constitutional amendment. Now, this was discussed. I'm not asking you outright, you know, my tests, I like to, you know, ask you to kind of apply knowledge. So you should be familiar, and the 2-hour time limit should be enough, I hope, maybe for you to, you know, find a way to figure this out, find out what, you know, amendment it is. All right, so a lot of these questions are worth multiple points. In fact, I think there's only 1 or 2 that aren't. But, you know, just take this, because I'm not going to go beyond question 1 and I'm not going to give you all 62 of the questions. You know, take this. I'm asking you to identify a constitutional amendment. Now it's going to be one answer. Just use your good sense, all right? And I'm saying this because there are students who don't. There obviously would not be 2 answers to this question, or 3. You're laughing at home, but there are students who do this, all right? Just use your good sense. If I ask you what 6 concepts of the Magna Carta are still enforced, alive today, or something like that. I forget how exactly I worded it, but that's another question too. What 6 concepts? Okay, well, that might be a hint that there are 6 answers. All right. Before you go on, review federalism. Even if you think you're ready to take this test, review federalism again. All right. It features heavily. In fact, it is the most heavily featured topic on this test. I warned you. All right. Last thing, you're not going to see your grade right away, because there are a few short answer and essay questions, nothing crazy, nothing you can't handle, that I'm going to have to go in and grade by hand. So you're not going to see your grade right away. But you'll get an idea. I mean, it's not, you know, if you get maybe like 130 out of 150 points, you know, you have a pretty good idea what you got on the test without me having to grade the answers. So, but I will, and those grades will be updated as the tests roll in. So June 24th till June 28th, my error, because, you know, what can I say? I can't get a thing right this summer. I'm not normally like this, but oh well. All right. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, good luck. This is the first test I'm doing in Canvas. We will try. I hope none of us have to troubleshoot, but we'll troubleshoot if need be. All right. Good luck. Bye.